Okay, it's Saturday the 8th of June. I was invited with my friend John to attend a group that's opening up in Hamilton. It's a community group called S.O.C and it's Supporting Our Community. Now, Hamilton doesn't have anything like this, and it's a way of reaching out to people within the community. They're a community-based organisation. They're focused on helping make the world around them a better, happier place. So basically their doors are open to listen to people's problems and to help in any way they can. Now, we all need a little help. Their main focus is obviously based on mental health, and mental health is something that affects probably, I would say, 80% of us, and I would also go as far as saying probably 70% of us don't open up and talk about it. So this is an opportunity to give people the chance to open up. Maybe the first step to opening up is to go in and visit these people and for them to let you know you're not alone. I think it's a fantastic thing, and I'm really looking forward to spending my afternoon with them.
Good girl.
This is Milly. Oh, this is brilliant.
Good.
Oh, look at the leather jacket. That really is his baby.
You got a friend there.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for coming along today to our opening of Supporting Our Community. I'm going to introduce you to our esteemed chairman, Douglas McIntosh, who's going to be talking about what we're going to be doing here and a few introductions. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody, and a very warm welcome to you to the S.O.C Centre, as it will now be known, supporting our community. We are here today as a culmination of quite a few months of very hard work by a fabulous team of volunteers who have got together, set this up, this whole project, and from here on in, this is our day to open. We move forward with the work that we have in mind, that we've outlined, that we have detailed, and we are going to be, we hope, a key service in this community. When we started out, we looked at what we wanted to do and to support our local people, what we needed in this area, and how we could help them to get the support and the well-being that we think they deserve. We had three crucial aims to start off with. We wanted to create a social hub for the community, and that means that our door is open. Local people are welcome to come, drop in, talk to us, see what's going on, what we can do for them, and just be a general support, somebody to talk to, in other words, and come in and see us. So that is an invitation to everyone out there. The other thing is we are going to run a range of activities and programmes for families and children, and we will be doing an outreach to keep our local community informed about what's going on, what's going to be going on for your family, for their family, to be involved with us. And thirdly, and most important, we are looking to address issues around mental health in the local area. We want to try and improve the well-being of our community. We want to be an organisation that recognises mental health, supports it as a signpost for where our people can go to have it addressed. The many problems in the area, it's generally a lot of it starts from isolation, leading to depression, and so it goes on. And if we can look at these issues, talk to our local people about them, get them involved, then we can go a long way to improving the well-being of the community, and that is primarily why we are here. I would like to say a very warm welcome to our visitors and our guests. It's great to see you here. We appreciate you being here. We want you to come back and see us often and be part of it. I'd like to make some thanks and introductions to a few people who have come along today. Firstly, the premises themselves were previously in the ownership of, and still are in fact, the ownership of the Hamilton Baptist Church. We approached them with our ideas about opening the centre, and I've got to say that we have been mightily impressed by the reaction to that and how they have supported us and got us to this stage, along with a lot of hard work from our volunteers. They're represented today by Elliot Simpson, and Elliot, I want to say thanks for all your support. It's been wonderful, and we wouldn't be here today without it. So I can't say anything any higher praise than that. And we also have along today a member of our local clergy, Reverend Christopher Rankin, minister at church down the road here, and Hamilton Parish, Hill House Parish Church. A very warm welcome to you, and we're delighted to see you. Mental health, part of it, we have had great support and input from the NHS, and we have our NHS coordinating person today as well, Susan McMorton. Susan, can't thank you enough for what you've done for us so far, and we look forward to a very long and fruitful relationship with your services. Same for Lam H, who are here today in the corner with some information and to take away, and that is personed today by Heather and Jack. Thank you very much for coming along today. We really appreciate it. We also are very closely linked with South Lanarkshire Council. It's a very key part of what we do, and I'm absolutely delighted to see Rose Gallagher with us today. Rose is Head of Youth Family Community Learning Service. They have been highly supportive of what we're doing, primarily in the person of Rob Milligan and Dale, who have been immensely key to this project. Thank you for that support, Rose, and I want you to know that it's really appreciated, and we would like to have it as long as it's available to us. Thank you. We also have from Calder High School, Diane Osprey, the roots of these programmes with us, our organisation started in schools and with the development of the parental partnership. And Diane was a key figure in helping that to be developed in Calder High School. So it's lovely to see her along today. It's great to see that kind of support. We also have had good input and great encouragement from our local representatives. We've had some visits from our MSP, our MPs, but the people who have come forward, been readily available to help us, mostly are our local representatives. And we have today with us Councillor Alan Faulkner. Alan is great, and Mary Donnelly as well. Mary, great to see you there. She did, you sneaked in on us, yes. But we knew you were coming, you know, so that's all right. So Mary and Alan, who have been great support and tremendously encouraging for this project. And we look forward to a long association with our councillors, who we all think are wonderful, of course. And we'll be right to see you with our problems just shortly after this. We also had a surprise visit today from Motorbike Milly. And Paul, right? Our very own hairy bikers who come along to our opening. It's a great delight to see them. And the pictures are going to be fantastic, aren't they? Right? So, the main part of our operation is our people, our volunteers. I've got to mention one in particular. That's Donna Rouse, the wife of our treasurer, Mark, who just the other day there presented this project with a cheque for £1,500, which she raised by doing the Walk Into the Light, where it was people that have had suicide in their family and went out to commemorate that, market, and it attracted a tremendous amount of sponsorship, which we were all delighted to support. And that's an example of the kind of volunteers that are involved with this service. And I want to say, Donna, thank you very much. Yeah, I clap for the dog. Right. So,
don't know if that ramp will hold that, man.
Is that another fat joke?
Don't drop it.
I won't. I'll try not to. If there's anything we can help you with again, just let us know.
Will do. Thank you very much.
And I'll send you your video later. Oh, I will. Oh, that's a must.
Don't know if that ramp will hold that, man.
Is that another fat joke?
Don't drop it.
I won't. I'll try not to. Who's there? Well, that's our time to leave. We had an absolute fantastic afternoon. What a great opportunity that is for the people of Hamilton to know there's a team like that out there and willing to support them. There's not much more to say, they're absolutely incredible. Actually quite an emotional experience when you hear some of the stories and their plans for listening to the community. You know, it's very touching. And as we're leaving, there's one more thing I have to say. The buffet. Oh man, I was supposed to be on a diet. I think I lasted 2 minutes after the ribbon was cut, and that was it. I was in there, just cake, homemade cake, sausage rolls, sandwiches, more cake. Paul, do you want a coffee? Aye, why not? I had to unbutton my trousers before I got back on the bike. But it was fantastic, and I really appreciate the team having us there. So thanks very much, and I look forward to seeing what he's got up to in the future.